Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while since I uploaded any videos, but I've been sick. I was not doing well and I really needed to take a break, but I'm absolutely fine now. So on my lips today, I'm wearing Blue Heavens non-transfer lip color in the shade Punk Maroon. I used to wear this a lot before and I had forgotten about this, but I repurchased it and I absolutely love this shade. And even their formula is extremely light on your lips. So yeah. So in today's video, I'm going to share one mask with you guys, which I promise you if you use consistently, it will help brighten your skin, even out your skin tone. If you have any old scars, any kind of pigmentation and any kind of marks, it will help you with that. But I would say that this face mask is not really suitable for extremely sensitive skin. So if you have extremely sensitive skin, skip this mask because this mask is quite strong. I've used a little strong ingredients. I've used some really strong ingredients in this. So if you have sensitive skin and your skin reacts very easily to certain ingredients, then skip this mask. But for everyone else, if you use this consistently, I promise you, you will have evened out, brightened skin tone within 7 days. Okay, so for the ingredients, you will need curd. I prefer homemade curd. Lemon peel powder. Now if you do not have lemon peel powder, you can use orange peel powder as well. Some kasturi manjal, wild turmeric, sandalwood powder, ink nut powder, and lastly aloe vera gel. Now if you have extremely sensitive skin, just skip lemon peel powder and instead of that you can use multani mitti or besan. Now the quantity really depends on you. If you want to use it all over your neck, then you can use a little more, but you're going to take equal amounts of all these powders and curd and aloe vera gel. Now instead of aloe vera gel, if you have the actual plant, you can use that as well. That is even more better. And you're just going to mix all of these together until it becomes like a thick paste. Whenever you use these, make sure that you mix a fresh batch. I wouldn't recommend mixing it and then storing it. So make sure it is fresh. That way it is more effective. Now once you've mixed everything together, the consistency is going to look something like this. It's going to be like a thick paste. Once you've made your mixture, make sure you always apply your mask on a freshly washed and scrubbed face. You do not want any oil or dirt sitting on your skin because that way it will not be as effective. All these ingredients together will help reduce any kind of pigmentation, old scars, acne scars, marks, any kind of discoloration that you have on your face. And it is very normal for your skin to slightly tingle whenever you apply this because lemon peel powder is quite strong. Now if you do not have lemon peel powder or orange powder, you can add a few drops of lime juice into this mixture. So apply a thick and even layer of this mask all over your face and leave it until it dries completely and then wash it off with plain water. If you do not have curd, you can use milk as well, but if milk and curd makes your skin oily, then simply use rose water instead of curd or milk. Now once you've washed off the mask, your skin will instantly feel extremely brightened and clean. And if you feel slight tingling while using this mask, do not worry, it is very normal because lemon peel powder is quite strong as an ingredient. And if you don't have lemon peel powder, you can use orange peel powder. And if you have extremely sensitive skin, then just skip lemon peel powder and instead of that you can use ink nut or multani mitti. Now once I've washed off my face, I've been doing this a lot lately, is I take a little bit of aloe vera gel and add few drops of my favorite serum. This is the Vit Citrus Vitamin C Serum and I'm going to add about 2 to 3 drops of it and then apply this all over my face. You can use whatever serum you have, but anything with vitamin C is extremely good for your skin and it helps make the effects last and it helps speed up the process of fading away your pigmentation and scars. So I'm just going to apply this all over my face. If you're planning to use this mask, use it every other day, because like I said, lemon peel powder is very strong as an ingredient, and using it every day can be a little harsh for your skin. So make sure to give 1 day's gap in between. And if you are using this, also make sure to follow up with some kind of serum so that the effects are faster and you can see the results quickly. And I will leave all the links to the powders and all the brands that I use in the description box. You can check it out. I hope you guys liked today's video, and if you did, then please like and subscribe. I will meet you guys in my next video. Until then, bye.